When you start writing a business case, it's usually labor reduction. It's risk management is always a big component of it. It's inventory management is a big part of it. And just overall efficiency of the data center team. If any of our customers have failed an audit, they know the pain that's associated with the fines that the SEC can lay on them, that the FTC can lay on them. You're not talking hundreds of dollars, you're not talking thousands of dollars, you're talking millions of dollars here that can absolutely be prevented from happening because you have a solution like ours in place. I think another big lever that we see is effective inventory management. I mean, anywhere from 10 to 15% of the value of the total inventory of the data center is sitting on a shelf in inventory, not being used. These people that deploy our system can more efficiently manage that inventory, and it frees up a lot of cash, a lot of capital, because you don't have to carry as much inventory on the shelf as you would otherwise.